I literally just finished rinsing my hair. I haven't looked at it yet, but as I was rinsing in the sink, I got a quick little glimpse at what my hair is looking like. And I don't know. I think this might be my favorite color so far.
The sun shines in all of my glory. My flaws don't look so bad at all. What was I so afraid of?
Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to Locs Lux Lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. You guys see what the title is, so we are going to jump right into it. So basically, I'm having a bit of an impulsive moment. Long story short, you guys, all week I have been planning to retwist my hair. I decided like earlier this week that I was going to touch up my color. You guys know I have had the dark hair since November, and for the most part I really do like the dark hair. But then I went to the beauty supply to get some more of the mocha, the Adore mocha, which I've been using to maintain my dark hair, because I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's super faded and dingy looking, and I'm like, okay, I either need to touch it up or do something to it. So I went to the beauty supply to get the mocha, but the beauty supply I've been going to lately, they just have so much stuff, a lot of stuff that my previous beauty supply didn't have. So I had the mocha in my hand and I just started browsing, and then as I started browsing, I was like, ooh, I think I want to color my hair. And so I have been planning to go like this ginger copper color. I wanted to do it closer to the summertime, but y'all, when I went out today, the sun was shining. It's like at least 60 degrees outside, and then when I was in the beauty supply and I seen them colors, I was like, I think I want to color my hair today. And I text 3 of my cousins and they all told me to do it, so now I'm about to do it. So yeah, I'm already pretty much prepped. Y'all have seen me color my locks so many times before. I did go ahead and test out the L'Oreal High Color because I didn't want to just apply it to my hair. And although it's faded, there's obviously still some pigment into it. And I was debating on if I wanted to strip my hair or not. You guys know sometimes I use the Color Oops to like strip my hair of any color. But they didn't have any at the beauty supply. I didn't feel like going to Target, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just go home and try it out. So I did do a test patch. And so far it's looking good, so we are going to test this out to see how it goes. Yeah, because if it doesn't go right, then I would either have to do like a bleach bath or something, and I really don't feel like doing all of that. So that's my intro. I'm getting ready to prep my hairline, and we are going to get to this coloring process.
Alright y'all, so I'm starting with some petroleum jelly, and I'm just going to apply that around my entire head, so around my hairline in the front, my ears, and my neck and nape area. So to color my hair today, I will be using the L'Oreal High Color in Copper, and I used 2 boxes. I also mixed it with a little cinnamon from Adore. And for developer, I used a 20 volume developer for the back part of my head because that's where I usually start at. And then I used 30 volume developer for the top half of my head, just so that the processing time was a little faster and they kind of process at the same rate. And here's the first batch and how it looks all mixed together. So like I mentioned earlier, you guys have seen me color my locks a million times before. So I always start in the back, and I'm just going in with my hands. I start by applying the color at the ends of my locks, and then I work my way up to the roots. And I leave about an inch or so at my roots. I don't necessarily apply it directly onto my scalp. I wait to go back and do my roots afterwards so that it doesn't process too fast and I don't have hot roots. But yeah, I'm just applying the product. Again, you guys see me do this all the time. I also make sure to really squeeze the concoction into my locks just to make sure that I don't miss any areas. And I apologize, y'all. I was on the phone running my mouth and I did not realize I had the camera zoomed in this close. So some parts is hard for you guys to see, but yeah, you guys get the drift.
All right, y'all, so I have all of the dye applied. It's looking good so far. It took me about 45 minutes to apply that, and my scalp is already starting to tingle in a few areas, so I don't think I'm going to leave this on much longer. I'm excited. I don't know, I feel like light hair is my thing now. Like, I love the dark hair, but as soon as this started to lighten up, I started to feel like myself again. Like, I don't know, I like the dark brown, but it's something about these lighter colors that's closer to my skin tone that I feel like really work for me, or that I really like on myself. But yeah, I'm getting ready to rinse this, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it's looking like. All right, y'all, so I literally just finished rinsing my hair. I haven't looked at it yet, but as I was rinsing in the sink, I got a quick little glimpse at what my hair is looking like, and I don't know, I think this might be my favorite color so far. I haven't seen my whole head yet, but from the tips, I think this might be my favorite color so far. I'm really excited to see. So I clearly still have some product in it. I'm going to get in the shower and rinse it. I feel like my bathroom lighting is not doing the color justice, but so far I'm really excited because I'm liking what I see so far. Y'all know I did like the honey brown and blonde highlights, which I really liked. And then I've also done like bright fire truck red a few times as well. But I think this is like a good balance between the two. But yeah, I still have some products left in my hair because like I said, I was rinsing in the sink, but I'm getting ready to get in the shower and I'm going to finish rinsing out this color. I'm also going to shampoo it and condition it, and then I will come back and show you guys what the color looks like. I'm also going to be doing a retwist. I'm going to do that in a separate video, but this is the color so far, y'all. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to get back on camera and close this video out properly. So I just finished retwisting my hair and I'm loving the color so far. Because of the lighting, it still looks a little dark, but if I were to go into like the natural light outside in the sunlight, you can definitely see the color a lot better. So basically, after the last clip, I got in the shower, I rinsed my hair again, I shampooed it twice, I also conditioned it. I let the conditioner sit for like maybe 5 minutes or so while I finished up the rest of my shower, and then I rinsed out the conditioner. And then I did my other routine, and now I just finished retwisting it, and I love the color. I love the color so far. It's not as bright as I thought it was going to be, but that's okay still. I think that this color right now is still very like winter appropriate. And probably closer to the summertime I'll brighten it up a little bit, but I think that this is a great start. It's subtle, but you can definitely still see that it's colored, and I just really love brown tones on me. Something about these tones, I just feel like they look so good on my skin tone. You can see it a lot better. The only thing that's just like a little bit frustrating is that you guys know I had my lock extensions. When I had the lock extensions, I had the blonde highlights, and so I still have some of those blonde tips attached to some of my locks, and they are just really stubborn. Let me see if I can find a couple for you. Like this one right here. Even when I was red, there were some of those blonde tips that didn't take to the red. I don't know what it is, but some of those tips are just really stubborn. They won't color, or they always just have a really off color to them. I've learned to just deal with it because at this point it is what it is. I have been trimming some of them here and there. As my hair continues to grow, I'll continue to trim away at some of those blonde pieces until they're gone. But some of them were more embedded into my natural locks than others, and I just don't feel like combing them out and doing that whole thing. So I'm just going to continue to trim at them until I can get rid of those pieces. But here is what we have, y'all. Let me know what you guys think of this new color. I'm getting ready to style my locks now. That will be a completely separate video, but thank you all so much for watching. I will have the styling video linked down in the description box, as well as the end screen if you want to see that. But yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, and I will see you guys in my next video.